Okay guys, I picked up this here battery charger and maintainer. I bought this because it was in the clearance section at Walmart for 25 bucks. And the regular price was $69.97, something like that, I don't know. But I'm going to look online and see if it's still listed on there. But yeah, I don't need it, but for 25 bucks, I hate to pass it up. But, you know, these are good for maintaining, like you have something parked and like maybe you're riding lawnmower, or you got a car you don't drive much and you just want to make sure the battery stays maintained. You just hook one of these up. This does AGM standard, it does lithium, looks like LiPo 4. Let's look at the box. So you can see it all. And there's the back. I've used maintainers before. They work pretty good. I mean, probably basically all the same. But I didn't have one that did lithium, so I figured why not pick it up for 25 bucks. I don't know if I ever use it. I noticed the box wasn't taped. Probably didn't have tape on it from the get-go. So hopefully it's all here. Yeah, it looks like it's all here. Over here. Now, there's not going to be a whole lot to this. Alright, you get your, I'm assuming your instructions, which I'll have to look at later. This is it. You can see it. Just has two buttons on it. Select and select for 6 volt, 12 volt. And then for your battery type there. There's what's on the back of it. Probably looking at lengthwise. We got about 8¼ inches. Why the thickness is around a little less than 2 inches, because it's kind of shaped odd. And then the width looks like the widest part's going to be right around 3.5. Bottom part, skinniest part's going to be about 2.5. Little caution thing. It does come with your clips for your battery. They don't feel too bad. A little strength to them. I'm gonna do the job. Okay, looks like we got. Let me get in here. All right. There's our end. Which, oh, okay, here you go. This is just a cap here to protect your end, which I'm assuming there's a hole here somewhere for that. Oh, yeah, right on the end of this one. So you just pull the cap off of that one, and then you just put those two together. They're foolproof. They're only going to go one way. And it looks like you got a built-in fuse, which, let me see what's in here. If I can get it off. Holy crap. They don't make these things easy to get off. Oh, man. Okay, give me a second. Oh, there we go. Alright, 7.5 amps. Okay, so, yeah, but other than that, I mean, there's not much to it. And it seems pretty nice. I figured, am I ever going to use it? Maybe. I mean, I could put it on my garden tractor. Make sure the battery stays up on it. I do got a couple kids' toys that are 6 volt. I could probably hook that up, maintain the batteries. But yeah, I mean, not too bad. 25 bucks, regular 70 bucks. I couldn't pass it up. Okay, guys.